Meet Walt. Walt Disney is the father of Mickey Mouse and creator of the magical world of Disney. He took his dreams and turned them into a reality that spread years of joy throughout the world. Think and Talk. Walt created some of the world's most memorable characters. Who is your favorite Disney character and why? I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk. With a close by buddy, go. All right, we're going to wrap that conversation up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moving right along. Set a purpose. Walt knew that his ideas were going to change the world. Listen to find out how he went about striving towards success. So on the next slide, we are going to listen to this biography.